So, so like we are progressing with the uh, like the birth planning, which would consider the status of a vehicle, the condition of the components, different components in the vehicle, and then their parking arrangement on site, sub-site, and multiple categorical locations. So it's like somewhere four-dimensional vehicle arrangement, and with that you got like if you go okay, like currently we have not added much components. So if you got like here is not battery available, you see in this vehicle with model number, and then the components, the battery components are 30, the percentages are 30.1. So these are real data. So these are based on the different forms of battery. So it's like look, birth arrangement with the battery arrangement. So on clicking this, you got like what are the containers, like a normal or long vehicle majorly contains some containers, some boxes of container inside which we keep something. Okay, so if I click on this, you see like these two battery are currently available. So these are real time. Okay, and you could filter based on the type of battery you want to look. So based on the components, they have different types you got there. So what happens is like, and then based on clicking this, you got the different conditions with the battery. So these are live working. Okay, so what we are starting is like we got like a parking lot. So in parking lot, when you click, so these all are data that are coming from the hardware IoT when the vehicle is being scanned on while entering into where into berth or exiting out of the berth. So these are the scanners. I think you could either take image, or you may like you may ask camera permission. So we have taken few examples. So currently like the result of the scanning would be here. Okay, so what happened is like if I request camera, so start scanning, you got like this camera is getting scanned. So this picture is taken from this picture is taken from, so you got like this scanner is taken from the where so see that it has been scanned. And now when you enter on the same lot, I think this was the lot, you got like one additional, I think you got somewhere, you will be getting some additional. Let me find which was the lot. Okay, so you got an additional added. So it's like we are scanning the container based on the vehicle. So from where we are getting the containers. So now move to here. Okay, so what happens is like the containers are assigned with the QR code. So this QR code was being captured through my mobile currently. Okay, normally like if you go, this screen could be arranged into different forms, like mobile forms, mobile tab, whatever. So based on that, you could access this scanning, clicking on each vehicle. You could get like the scanner, and you could have a container. So what does it mean by having containers? Like normally a vehicle contains small 2 to 3 containers. So you got like you need not fill the data, you directly got into that container. So this scanner was used, and so this is like 9DC if you see. So if you come here, you will be finding that these data are being taken. There is some 19DC F05. So this all was being scanned, for a practical purpose. It was taken into a mobile by a picture, and then it was scanned. Normally if you open the same website from your mobile, and you could scan through mobile normally. So So it is feasible through both the way. So we tried showing you using bigger screen. So this is the way. And how these all are created is like, initially you need to fill the container. So container, like whatever container you are demanding. So normally it is done by that way. And like this is the way like how it works. Like all the IoT materials, you got IoT materials on the screen. And then it could be we have a Bluetooth connected device, mobile device, so consPeer device. And then these all are the explanation which are being made over a slide. Like you get different colors, and over even the model you get different colors. So they are saying the rate of occupancy of the vehicles, frequency of use, whatever the data science part, like analytical part, decision making part. So you got a battery, type of battery, so these colors. And then diagnostic, so those you were getting like container, and in containers you were getting the you were getting the, so if you go and you click on this, you were getting like what were the condition, what if there is SQ, what is their action in progress. Currently it's a null, we are just looking like how it is getting fetched. And then based on the data fetched, it will be coming, it will be shown here. So normally, so things are this way. And if you go through different language, so I'm considering it as in Chinese. So these are in Chinese. See, so we got into this Chinese. Yeah. So now when I click, you see all are in Chinese. Yes, you have a scanner, and when you click here, you see some changes. And then normally, like when you click on this, you say this. So the scanner is also available on the battery part, battery, the which battery is connected to which one. So it is automatically assigned. So when you go there, you see all things there. Okay, so it's like some document. So if you see, there is versatility in the QR code. Okay, so if we take the example of now, let's take Hindi. So it's the Hindi now. So Hindi now, see. So it's Hindi. So this is a similar way, like you get like scan ka parinam. Okay, so this is the way it is going on. So it goes by multiple way. So that's all.